Which cryptocurrency will gain the most? Two cryptocurrencies with 10x upside potential, Cardano, ADA, and GNOX token. Experts claim Cardano and GNOX as two coins that have huge potential to turn over. The cryptocurrency market is still recovering from its recent downturn. Only a few of the currently available cryptocurrencies appear to be performing well under these difficult conditions. A prudent crypto investment can generate a passive income that contributes to the financial security of these currencies in the short term. Crypto analysts believe that these two cryptocurrencies have tenfold upside potential. Cardano and GNOX are the two digital coins in question. While Cardano is currently one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, GNOX's innovative release plan has the potential to take it to the next level. 1. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a blockchain with its cryptocurrency, ADA. In some ways, this is similar to Ether and the Ethereum blockchain. Take Bitcoin as an example of Crypto 1.0. It is effectively digital gold, but scaling issues plague the system. Crypto 2.0 is a term used to describe Ethereum. Cardano, which debuted in 2017, is Crypto 3.0, and it adds capabilities to Ethereum that it did not have before. Cardano is considered a more scalable, interoperable, and sustainable blockchain, intending to improve upon Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of the most common complaints of Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies is that their blockchain networks, which are based on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, waste a lot of energy. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, making it a more durable and scalable blockchain. Furthermore, Cardano has a transaction rate of over 250 transactions per second (TPS), compared to 4.6 TPS for Bitcoin and 15 to 45 TPS for Ethereum 1.0. As a result, this drop could be an excellent time to lock in your Cardano investments. 2. GNOX, GNOX. GNOX is the first reflection project to use Treasury to invest in DeFi yield-earning protocols for its holders. To encourage the protocol's continued growth, the platform strives to make DeFi earning as simple and hassle-free as possible. Their goal is to provide outstanding utility to their holders while avoiding any measures that are unnecessary. They save crypto investors from having to do their own research by hiring a team of top DeFi experts who work to maximize returns and minimize risks for their investments. GNOX believes that long-term investors should be rewarded with a passive income that is proportional to the Treasury's earnings over time. It is the first DeFi earning protocol to offer yield farming as a service to private and institutional investors. GNOX's pre-sale announcement earlier this month drew a huge amount of attention in a short amount of time. Final thoughts. To summarize, GNOX has the potential to become the next project to provide the highest and most consistent profit to its holders, and prospective investors in cryptocurrency projects should be aware of this. Meanwhile, a significant Cardano investment could contribute to the portfolio's overall stability and provide investors with impressive profits.